Where are we going? Wallen Lake. Wallen Lake. Yes. Good morning.
I'm driving.
You're driving? Hi. Magbe-behave ka na.
Hi.
Say hi, kuya.
Not yet. Not yet.
We are here at the Wallen Lake. Actually, this is a biking trail, and if you could see this view, you're gonna be in love.
Yeah. DJ Jason K, MC Bones, round 3, the Legacy Mix.
Look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Yo.
Hi, Gavin! Wow, you're so cute! Oh!
Dude, this part's broken now.
Why?
I don't know.
Kasi binabagsak mo kuya eh.
Your scooter. Gavin? What are you doing? What are you doing there?
I'm waiting for the fish.
It's there.
Oh, yeah. No.
Actually, today is Sunday morning, so baka mamaya pa kami magsisimba sa hapon. For now, we're just enjoying the view. Good morning. We're just enjoying the view. Yeah, kadiri ang ano ng salita ko. Ang bulol. Yeah, there's a tree.
Look, it's the Fula tree.
Maganda nga dito.
Yes.
Totoo pala yung mga nasa mga movies, mga napapanood ko, even yung mga cartoons. Pag, diba, yung mga Anne of Green Gables, totoo pala yun. Nakaka-overwhelm ang kagandahan ng Green Gables. Charot. So, look at this. Op, masubsob ka dyan, ha? Kaya kapag nalulungkot ka, may bubuyog! Oh my God, may bubuyog! What I'm trying to say is that, yun nga, kapag nalulungkot ka, muni-muni ka sa mga gantong lugar. At yun nga, yung scene na yan, naalala ko nung kabataan ko. After ng malakas na ulan, dun sa bakanteng lote, dun sa tabi ng bahay namin, na dating bakante, ngayon apartment na siya. Pagtapos ng ulan, nagiging maliit siyang pond. So doon kami naglalaro ng mga bangka-bangkaan, nang huhuli ng mga butete, na matagal na natambak doon dahil nga yung tubig, matagal-tagal na rin nagstay, yung baha. So yun yung mga memories ko nung kabataan ko. So kung may Anne of Green Gables, may Jonah of Hasmin Street. So yeah, this is just a short vlog, and I'm just sharing with you guys what we are doing right now, and yeah, till then.
I like the way you work it. I like the way you